Question number 13. A transverse wave is traveling is moving through a medium. The graph shows for one instant. Okay, it is shown over here. X, Y, Z are 3 points. Frequency of the wave is 25 hertz and velocity is given. Okay, so when this is given, immediately what you can infer? You can say, you can find out the value of lambda. What is lambda? V by F. Though I have not read the options, I can just read it later on. V by F, which is equal to 100 by 25, which is equal to 4 meters. This I got. Let us see whether there is something related to lambda here. See, first thing is that, so this from point O to point Z is lambda. This is 4 meters. If you look here, the horizontal distance between X and Z is 3 meters. X and Z is 3 meters. Is this right? Definitely this is right. Okay. So C is the right option. But if you still want to look at other options, let us look at that also. Particles at X and Y are in phase. No. When the particle here is going upwards, this particle is going downwards. What do you say about them? Both are opposite in phase. So this is incorrect here. The velocity of the particle at X is a maximum. Okay, velocity of the particle at X is a maximum. Is it true? We think that it's true. It's not true. It's false. Why? How do I understand that? So let us draw once again a pendulum. Okay, when you say a traveling wave, waves means you can easily put a pendulum here. You can put a pendulum. Okay, and now when I say when a particle has a maximum displacement, see, this is a maximum displacement. Where is the displacement here? This is a displacement that you consider, right? So this is a displacement. So if you have a maximum displacement, what will be the velocity of the particle? The velocity of the particle at that point is 0 over here, right? You can look at it like this. So therefore, velocity of the particle is 0 because here velocity is maximum. Velocity is 0 here. So this is also incorrect. This we have already seen. Velocity of the particle at y is 100 meter per second. At y, what is y? Y is nothing but this point, right? When the particle is in the opposite direction at this point. So definitely when this is 0, this would also be 0 at extremes. So this is also incorrect. Okay, let us move on to the next one.